Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about reduction formula. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put cosine x to the power of n minus 1 and we have cosine x. Later that we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x and we have n minus 1 cosine of x to the power of n minus number 2. Next, dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have sine x so we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v because we have another negative in here. Negative with negative, we have positive. And now I will put n minus 1 go outside. And then we have the integration sine x squared multiplied by this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So because we have sine x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. And now this one multiplied by number 1 and negative cosine x squared. And that should be like this. So this one we simplified number 2 minus number 2, you got number 0. And we can see that we repeat about cosine x to the power of n. Now we need to separate them in here. And that should be like this. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now the next one, I will put this one go to the right, and we have positive n minus number 1, and we have the integration in here. So we can see that n multiplied by this one, negative number 1 multiplied by this one, and this is about number 1. So negative number 1 with positive number 1, they cancel. So we just have only n. Next, we divide both sides by n. And later that I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.